So what can you do? You can just do the best you can.
That's it.
That's all. I mean, you have to just play it by ear.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you know, and it's strictly a roll of the dice, everything that you do, because the food that you eat, so-called, a lot of it is plastic and whatever.
That's true.
I just heard yesterday that now rice has a problem.
What?
They said particularly brown rice. Now, rice is eaten all over the world.
Yes.
But they say that a lot of the rice, and they pointed out, particularly the brown rice, which a lot of people eat.
What's the matter with the brown rice?
It now has arsenic in it.
Oh, my goodness.
Yes, arsenic is very, very poisonous.
Wow.
But they say, but they are working on it. See, and then a lot of things that they will recommend say, well, now, some, you know, the racists, to the extent that a racist has anything to do with it, and they have something to do with everything that has to do with non-white people, they are very treacherous, and they will say, well, we did have a problem with asparagus last year, but now that problem has been cleared up, when really it probably hasn't.
Wow.
See what I mean?
Yes.
See, there's no way for you to tell when they're telling the truth, because they thrive on falsehood. You have no way of knowing anything.
Right.
See, we're completely subject to them. We're not just partially subject to
Wow.
them. We are completely subject to them and whatever they tell us. I mean, what do black people know that they don't get from the white supremacists, either directly or indirectly?
Wow. Wow.
I mean, but, you know, and sometimes they will even plant black people to go among other black people and say, hey, now I'm going to let you know what the real deal is. Now, if you do this and do this and do this, I mean, then you can circumvent these people.
Right.
All right? But
Right.
what you don't know is that person has been sent.